Here's a quick video on how to find Super Potato from Akihabara Station. Leave the station through the Electric Town South exit and head towards the main street. You'll see two bright red Sega arcades across the road. Use the crossing and take the side street between the two arcades. You'll come across a bright green Kotobukiya shop. Turn right and you'll find Super Potato on the right hand side. There's normally a few girls dressed as maids promoting cafes. Now what's inside? Take the stairs to the third floor and enter a world of gaming nostalgia. You'll find the likes of Neo Geo, the PC Engine, the Nintendo Family Computer, the NES and the SNES, or Famicom as it's known in Japan. The number of second-hand consoles is very impressive, all priced depending on their condition or decoloration. Super Potato seems to specialise in Super Famicom. I'm a big admirer of the packaging and the artwork on the boxes, and have somehow been kept in immaculate condition. I had fun finding some of my old favourites, and some games that never got UK releases. I particularly like the art on the box of Fatal Fury 2. I don't understand how it's only £8. They also have a large number of Sega consoles and games. The Japanese Master System games look totally different to what we had in the West, and it seemed like a very different library too. Okay, let's head up to the 4th floor and jump forward in time to the early days of PlayStation, Xbox and N64. I spent a while looking through a decent soundtrack section, but unfortunately my search for Streets of Rage ended in failure. Axe Battler leads the way to the 5th and final floor, home of a nice little retro arcade. And they have some of my old favourites. Wonder Boy Monsterland, Super Street Fighter 2, Ghouls and Ghosts, Final Fight. All I need is WWF WrestleFest for my dream to be complete. And if you intend on playing for a while, there's snacks and drinks too.